Many of you have heard that Facebook also has a grant to help those small businesses who were affected by the COVID-19. And it's actually very, very generous. Let me show you. But of course, there's a catch to it. So it's offering 100 million in cash grants and add credits to help those right during this challenging time. But the catch is 100 million dispersed amongst up to 30,000 small businesses across more than 30 countries. So it's pretty tough, right? There's only 30,000 of these. And of course, it must be for profit, between 2 and 50 employees, having business for more than a year, has experienced challenges from COVID-19, and you have to be in or near a location where Facebook operates. So still worth it, right? Click here and then, for example, choose where approximately you are at, the closest to this, right? So for example, Bay Area, you choose your county. So for example, Santa Clara, and then still worth a while, right, to try to apply for this, even though there's only 30,000 of these. And so who can apply now? So if you're in New York City and Seattle area and in the Bay Area, you can actually apply now. But if you're in all other US cities, then you can apply starting April 22nd. So I definitely do encourage you to apply, even though there's only 30,000 of these, but the amount actually could be pretty substantial. So try it out.